Hello, your online course IE202 is Advanced Optimization Techniques. I'm Professor Rene D. Estember, a graduate of MSI Industrial Engineering from University of the Philippines and also a Master's in Business Administration from Ateneo de Manila University. I finished my undergraduate studies in Mapua Institute of Technology with a BS Management and Industrial Engineering degree. I have been in the industry for 17 years and at the same time working as part-time teacher. I have been teaching for 25 years, of which 17 years was involved in Mapua University, formerly Mapua Institute of Technology. IE202 is about techniques for modeling systems in which uncertainty is an essential factor. Emphasis why, how, and when techniques can be or cannot be applied. Case studies are to be provided, and this will come from in the areas of logistics, production, and service industries. This is a 3-unit course equivalent to 45 lecture hours for a quarter. There are 3 course outcomes in this IE202. The first course outcome is to explain various aspects of simulation from modeling to output data analysis. The course outcome number 2, it intends to apply simulation in the analysis and design of the system. Course outcome number 3 is about conducting a simulation study using real-world problem scenario. The course coverage of IE202 are the following. The first topic is about principles of simulation. Here we'll be discussing some definition of simulation and its application, the advantages and disadvantages of simulation, and the simulation process. The second topic is about techniques for generating random numbers. So there are different random numbers or methods used to generate random numbers. These are mid-square method, the linear congruential method, both multiplicative and mixed, the additive congruential method, and the quadratic congruential method. The next topic is about random variate generation. Here we'll be discussing the different discrete probability distributions and continuous probability distributions. So some examples of continuous probability distributions are exponential distribution, uniform distribution, triangular distribution, normal distribution, and Weibull distribution. Next will be about statistical test for randomness. So we'll discuss 2 known methods, which are chi-square test and the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. The next topic that we'll be discussing would be some sample applications using Monte Carlo method. Here we'll be giving some sample problems on queuing simulation in a spreadsheet and inventory simulation in a spreadsheet. We'll also discuss steps in using Pro model. So this consists of how to start a new model, creating location, creating entities, creating processing and routing, creating arrivals, running the simulation, and viewing the output. Other course coverage consists of input modeling, performance measures for measuring systems, some analysis on the bottleneck, verification and validation of simulation models, output analysis, variance reduction techniques, and comparison and evaluation of alternative system designs. So 3 references are provided to you for this IE202 course. The first is Discrete Event Simulation, System Simulation by Banks, Jerry, and Carson. Then the Handbook of Simulation, Principles, Methodologies, advanced applications and practices by banks, and then simulation modeling analysis by Averill Law. So the course evaluation consists of three course outcomes. So the assessment task consists of the midterm examination, the final examination, the other learning activities, written reports, and the research paper. So the total weight will be equivalent to 100%, and the minimum average for satisfactory performance is 70%. So the final average for this course, IE202, will be computed based on the following. Research paper is 20%, written report is 20%, other learning activities is 30%, midterm and final examinations is 15% respectively, for a total of 100%. Passing score here is 70%, and below 70 is considered failure. So thank you, and I hope you will enjoy your online class.